To learn this sentence block diagram technique, I'm going to show you the traditional method first. I learned this traditional method when I learned English grammar. A sentence diagram is actually like a chart. It shows how the words and parts of a sentence relate to each other. In a sentence, you need a subject and a verb. To diagram a sentence, you write the simple subject on the baseline to the left of the vertical line, and you write the verb on the baseline to the right of the vertical line. For example, the dog here is a subject. This is the noun. The dog barks. Barks is a verb. This is a predicate. So this is a simple sentence. The dog barks. And this is all you need in a sentence. You need a subject and a verb. Here is another example. This is a sentence. Teacher gave the children homework. So if we put this into diagram form, this is what it will look like. We have the teacher here. This is the noun. And the predicate is gave homework. The word gave here is a verb. And what is the teacher doing? The teacher gave homework. Homework is a direct object. So this is all you need in a sentence. Teacher gave homework. Now, the word here, the children, actually is the indirect object. The teacher gave the children homework. The teacher didn't give the children. The teacher gave the homework. So this is why the homework is on the line here. Whereas the children here, this is the indirect object, so it modifies the action word give. The teacher is giving the homework to the children. So this is what sentence diagramming is about. The line here gives you the main information. The teacher giving homework. The children here gives extra information. You don't really need the children to complete the sentence. So the children here is sort of like extra, telling you more about the teacher giving the homework. So a sentence diagram is sort of like a pictorial representation of a sentence. It shows what every word does, and also it shows how the words are related to each other. So in a sentence diagramming, the most important thing is the subject here, the verb, and then the direct object. That's all you need to complete a sentence. But oftentimes our sentences are not just simple sentences. It's more complex. So sometimes we have modifiers, we have prepositional phrase, we have adjectives modifying the subjects, we have compound words, we have conjunction words, and we have many other subordinate clauses that are attached to the main clause. So I just want to give you an idea. When you do the traditional sentence diagramming, you see all these lines here because the words are all broken up so that you can see the relationship of the words within the sentence. It shows what every word does and how they relate to each other. Actually, this can be quite fun if you're analyzing one or two verses and you want to really dig into the passage to understand the whole structure of the sentence.